The clock's chime at midnight on New Year's Eve 2020 was a sign of a coming seismic tide that would change the world. It was not just the dawn of Zoom meetings, social distancing, layoffs, lockdown, and toilet paper panic purchases. It was the beginning of a transformative journey in the world of finance. Thanks to global lockdowns and unprecedented market volatility, sprouting on trading platforms was a social retail trading movement. Fresh off the boat, traders leaped headlong into the shark-infested waters of finance, thanks to massive FOMO. Burning like wildfire on social media, the boom fueled the growth of community-led financial grassroots movements that burned with courage.
Retail traders are as good as most human professional traders these days, or can be.
Yeah, these days, yeah, definitely. You don't have to have a fancy, degree to be better than many professional.
I've considered a few other jobs, but I really enjoy working in retail. I've done it for such a long time, and I really can't see myself anywhere else.
Reddit, for instance, was the setting for an epic David versus Goliath battle that pitted the institutional investor against the retail investors. In that battle, Wall Street Bet's retail traders gobbled up GameStop stocks, sending their price to the moon. The institutional investors had to beat a hasty retreat in one of the best short squeeze tactics ever. David would not have had a chance against Goliath today without technology democratizing power. Zero trade fee trading apps have lowered the barrier of entry to trade. Today, anyone can join the financial market's shark-infested waters and profit without brokers' support. In contrast, trading was a rich man's game in the past. At the time, investors had their orders fulfilled via telephone calls, paper order forms, and face-to-face interactions. This settling necessitated high costs of commission fees and transaction expenses, which kept retail investors off the market. Even worse, most investment tools had a minimum investment threshold. Consequently, low-income traders could not access the market. Fast forward to today, and technology has reshaped trading in ways unimaginable back then. You can instantly access financial markets via a mobile device and the internet. Then you can trade from anywhere in the world, at any time, without the support of a broker. On top of that, you have access to complex algorithms that execute trades automatically, leveraging the speed and precision that human traders can't match. In addition to that, financial social media platforms have democratized information. You can share investment ideas and information in seconds.
The ultimate objective is to move us to a cashless society. So you will no longer have that hard asset of that $20 bill or $10 bill. Your money will essentially be software. It will be a number in a program that the Fed, Treasury, the government, your political opponents will all have access to.
Unprecedented access to trading platforms has leveled the ground for retail investors, but it has left naive traders floundering in the shark-infested waters of finance without a lifeboat or edge. As per the Oracle of Omaha, the financial market is now more than ever a device for transferring money from the unaware to the patient. It moves funds from traders lacking an edge to those who possess one. The house always wins. In the financial markets, institutional traders are the house. They are one step ahead of the retail traders, playing sentiment and turning odds to their advantage. Hedge funds have distinct advantages in the modern dynamic world of investing that set them apart from their retail counterparts. They have expertise, resources, and a unique position in the market. For instance, unlike David, Goliath has a horde of skilled professionals including financial analysts, portfolio managers, mathematicians, complex algorithms, and risk assessment experts at their beck and call. In addition, the giants of the financial world have access to private equity, venture capital, and hedge funds. They enjoy using patient capital with longer investment horizons for sustainable returns and growth. Fortunately, while in the past, retail traders have limited access to trading capital, today there are diverse prop trading services and investment firms that provide quick access to capital. So your main challenge is acquiring knowledge and edge that helps you navigate the financial world's shark-infested waters. Following the March 2020 stock market dip, hordes of retail traders paid retribution to Goliaths, who were discounting GameStop stocks, betting that it would go to zero.
So let's take a look at this one in the pre-market. Stock is down once again, more than 3.25%.
Those who had won during this operation lost everything the following month because they were not sufficiently equipped to survive in this ocean. It's like the lottery winners. 90% lose their fortune in less than 2 years. Most retail traders who got in on the action during the pandemic season lost their trading capital too. The war for profit is highly skewed against retail traders. Goliath always has the little guy at the balls. To survive the financial world, you can only play by 2 rules. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1, said Warren Buffett. Fortunately, with the right strategies and mindset, you can thrive in the world of retail trade. Learn about trading strategies, technical and fundamental analysis, and market dynamics to make informed decisions. Then, trade with passion, but learn risk management. Protect your capital with disciplined risk management. Leverage technology on advanced trading platforms, research tools, and data feeds. Technology has leveled the playing field, giving you access to real-time information. Leverage it to build an edge in the shark-infested waters of finance.